My dad's exact words were, "You look strong and beautiful."
Wow. Hey guys,
Hi.
Alison is here. We went short in March, something like that.
End of March, yep.
Yeah, here's the video. It's still here. And today we're going completely bald, shiny. Have fun. You have fun as well. See you at the end.
You're gonna edit out my shiny forehead, right?
Yep. Maybe.
This is the first time my hair has been brushed.
We're using a number 2, folks. 6 millimeters, lever open, so it's almost 9 millimeters. There we go. Better already. And why are you back here? Because you can do this yourself, right?
Yeah. Why am I back here? It's a great question. Why am I all the way back in Idaho? It's just not the same, you know, myself. Because I've been doing it at home with a friend who's been cutting it for me.
Mm-hmm.
But especially the back that you did the first time was so sharp.
So what were the coolest responses you had on your buzz cut?
Well,
Or the funniest?
the coolest. I had a lot of people ask me whether I did it on purpose.
Oh, really?
That was pretty harsh. No, to be fair, 99% of people have actually loved it, which has been, you know, reassuring. Even my parents, which was very surprising.
Really?
Yeah.
They liked it?
Yeah, I know. Were you so surprised too?
Yeah. Usually parents are a little bit old-fashioned and don't really like extremer looks on their kids.
I think my dad's exact words were, "You look strong and beautiful."
Wow.
That's pretty high praise. But yeah, no, I think a lot of people just thought that, like, I had a bad haircut and then needed to get rid of it or something. Yeah, that was people that being like, "Did you do this? Like, did you want to look like this? Or yeah, did you do it on purpose?" I'm like, who says that?
Wow.
And the worst part was, I don't think they even meant it badly, which is like, they're just, you know, a little, I don't know. I don't think they thought about it too much before saying it.
And nobody that says, oh, I would love to do that, but I'm too scared.
Oh yeah, no, those people who, I mean, yeah, you get the slightly backhanded compliment of, "You're so brave."
Yeah, you can take that up 2 ways as well, yeah.
Things that look really good typically aren't described as being really brave, but to be honest with you, I love it, and I full on go give a flying shit what anyone else thinks.
That's cool.
Take your time. To be fair, the best thing that's already happened is that my little alfalfa is gone.
Here.
Yeah, I have the little PC, which makes an appearance after about a centimeter or so.
Yeah.
What do you think of the color?
I hate it. We bleached it.
Yeah.
And went super blonde, and now your natural color.
I have to say, I loved the blonde. I thought it looked so cool, but it's just a lot of work.
It's high maintenance, really. Yeah. Cut it every 2 weeks, color it every month.
Exactly, yeah, it's grown out in no time. So I wanted to give it a go on my natural color. I thought originally that I wouldn't like it. And as soon as I gave it a shot, I thought, actually, this is pretty cool too.
Yeah, it looks incredible. Now, what's the funniest thing that happened to you?
The best reaction probably was my my rowing team, because I just arrived to training with I always wear a hat for training, and somebody noticed that the back looked kind of short, and she took my hat off
without asking.
Well, yeah, she was like, hey, like, what? I mean, well, you know, we're close, and she was like, hey, what kind of?
What happened?
Just like lifted off my hat, not expecting.
No hair.
Zero hair underneath it, and so yeah, that was kind of funny because I wasn't really sure how I was gonna. I didn't want to be like, "Hey, look at my," so I just sort of showed up and was like, "I'll see what happens," and then, yeah, then everyone was like, "What the fuck?"
All right, guys, we had a slight break because I had to close the blinds because the sun is directly on the window and you can't see what I'm doing. So that's why the lighting and everything changed.
I have to say one of my favorite parts of this whole buzz cut experience has been the reactions, like the comments on the YouTube video.
Really?
It's such an overwhelming like assembly of positive things. It's so nice.
Yeah, when you feel down, you just have to watch a video and then everything is good again.
And but it's also so nice, like for me, the reminder of, God, that moment was one of the most terrifying things I've ever done. Like when you took off the cover on the mirror and
Yeah.
I saw myself, and I was like, I'll never forget that moment. But it's nice to have the video to like help remind me, because it was the biggest shock. And I mean, it's funny. I was sitting in the chair for what, like 3 hours or something.
Yeah, you didn't see a thing that happened.
But I mean, of course, for that entire 3 hours, I was just thinking about what I was going to look like. So that I didn't expect, you know what I mean? That it was so unexpected when it finally happened is kind of weird.
Yeah, I hoped you would break down and cry, but you didn't.
To be fair, I think my ecstatic laughter should be just as good as tears. I remember you asked me when I did that interview, I wore more makeup now that I have short hair.
Yeah.
And I said that I did. And every day since then, I've thought to myself, what a giant lie that was. And every day as I go to the house and get any makeup on, I think, ha. But that day I was wearing makeup, so that's why I thought to myself, maybe I do wear makeup. Well, no, it's not that I never wear makeup, but it's more that like on a daily basis I don't. So it's more like for, special occasions, or when you're about to make a video of my face and put it on the internet.
Just getting rid of all these hairs in your neck.
Is it the little crown I have here, which makes my hair go all a stupid direction? He needs fixing.
Yeah, but I don't want to fix it too badly, because then it'll look unnatural.
No, for sure. It'll be so fresh.
That's it.
Is that fresh, that clean? Oh, I already. I'm doing it. I'm being cheating. I'm doing a tutorial. Ready?
New you.
So fresh.
Well, that's it, guys. We're done. Not completely bald, but super short though. Between 6 and 9 millimeters somewhere. I don't know exactly where the lever was. Down to number 1, half, and a small part 0 in the back. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming. See you in the next one.